How well do you know the past tense? What's the difference between I did and I have done? If you said they're both the perfect tense, you're mostly right. However, there's a key distinction to make, which is very important for many languages. Technically, the perfect tense, to form it in many languages such as English, French, Spanish, and many more, is done by taking the auxiliary verb to have or to be, and then combining this with a perfect participle such as done. And therefore, you would say, I have done or I have played. Using this tense means that the action of the verb was completed in the past. Obviously, perfect comes from the Latin perfectum, which means completed. However, when you use the true perfect tense, I have done, there's the idea that though the action was done in the past, it's still important, it still carries relevance for your current moment. That the implications of the past action still carry on into the present moment. This is the idea of the perfect aspect, and an aspect is a grammatical term denoting how a verbal action extends over time. For example, when you use the perfect tense to say, it has rained, this carries a strong idea that now the result affects the present moment, that the streets are wet, for example. When you say it rains instead, it just denotes a perfectly completed action in the past that has no implication in the present moment. And this means, therefore, that when you say I did, it's not a true perfect because it's an enclosed past action which has no basis on the present moment. And because of this, while I have done is the true perfect, I did can be seen as an aorist perfect or a preterite. Did you know about this already, and do you agree with me? Let me know in the comments.